I can teach you how to heal yourself. I can teach you how to use your spiritual energy, your quantum energy, to renew your physical body. You are mind. You are infinite, eternal spirit. You can't die. You can't fail. And for me, over the years, I've learned this as an absolute reality. I've worked with both Reiki energy, I've worked with spiritual healing, I've been an interfaith minister, I've worked as an intuitive. And what I've learned is that we are amazing and that people can be healed. Join me for this workshop. It's a 2 hour session. It will help you learn some of the tools you need to heal yourself.